So as I said earlier, let's sample the other buttons. The third after that is the insert a smart art graphic. So when you click on that one, you need to choose the exact diagram you want to insert. For example, I want to use this one. Double click on it and automatically it will appear. So you can put whatever text you have in mind. Let's say Enugu Abia and Adamawa. So you can insert the pictures you want from here. It's trying to connect online. If you have any account with Microsoft, it will open automatically, but if not, you can go offline and try it again. So let's do that. It's still loading because I'm online. Let me go offline now and test the same feature. So you click on the logo, click on work offline, then you can now access images from your laptop. So let's choose this one for Enugu, then the next one for Abia, and the last one here for Adamawa. So this is what we have. Remember, still the same process is what we used in inserting this, creating this chart, whereby you provide the values, automatically the computer will plot the graph for you, and that's exactly the same way we created this table, and we're bouncing back to adding just simple shapes. So in these shapes you can add the population you want beneath the tab above. So however you want it, you can just create it to be nice and neat, and that's all for this. So let's now create a new tab, a new slide, and access the fourth of them in the list, which is how to insert a picture. Click on it, then choose a picture from your system. Immediately the picture will appear, occupying the whole slide sheet. It is looking very bold. You can also add animation to this very image. The same way we added animation to the slide is also how we're going to add animation to the slide, to the picture. So click on the animation menu and choose the one you want, and let's watch it appear. That's exactly what we're talking about. So you can choose any of that one that you want and observe. Let's look for one that is a little bit fanciful. Like this one is cool. So far let's test what we have designed. Go straight to the very first one, click on your slideshow button, or you can press the F5 key on your keyboard. So we designed this to be working only on mouse click, so you have to be pressing the mouse to make it appear. It's always better to choose on mouse click so that you can do some little narration, explanation as these pages appear one after another. Okay, so you right click on top of this and click on end show. Let's go back to where we were before, where we designed this slideshow. So far I believe that you have so many things you have learned this morning on how to create your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. Then we need to take a look at the menus and what they are used for. Here we have a cut copy format. We have seen this previously in Microsoft Word. They are also used for the same exact purpose in Microsoft PowerPoint. No difference. Then right here we have the make bold, italics, or underline, and alignment, shapes. You can add any shape of your choice. As long as you're artistic inclined, you can use these shapes to design something beautiful. Then after that we have our arrange button. Here you arrange the shapes you have created, sort them into groups, make one appear on top of the other, or however you want it. Then after that, we'll have the insert menu where you can insert whatever shape you want to insert. For example, let's say you're not working on a new blank slide like this other one that usually provide an icon for you to click and add something. You can go straight to a blank one that you want to add something from. Add something to the existing copy like the one we have here. Just press enter, go straight to insert, click on image and import the image. It will now appear as part of the paragraph that we were working on previously. You can drag it down to make it look nice and neat. That's it. That's just it. So after that, we'll have the design view. Here we choose our theme. If you no longer like this theme, you can go straight to this place and choose a different theme, and it may have effect in all other slides if you want it. If you don't, please press Ctrl Z on your screen to undo the changes you just made. Then we have the transition menu where you create the animation styles that these slides will appear in. Depending on how you want them to appear, you click on it and apply to all. Then finally, we want to learn how to export your slideshow. Sometimes you need to export it into a video file. How is that possible? Go straight to your file menu, comes down to this export and click on export, choose create a video. When you click on create a video, you have to make sure you select the first one. The presentation quality must remain the same, and then you click on create video. Wait for it to load. Then I want to save it. After saving it, goes out and check if you can find it in your folder where you saved it. And this is it, the making of Nigeria. It's not playing. Oh my god, what is the problem? Let's go back and confirm what we did again. So go to export, click on create a video. We want to create a video. From this, I can choose a different format, Windows Media Player, and save. Okay. Wow, sorry, I was the one that was in a haste. This video is still creating. It has not finished creating. So you have to be patient enough until it is completed before we can test it. So let's wait for it.